नमस्ते स्टूडेंट. I, JVN Himanshu Surya, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Department of Science and Technology. Today, I will cover antenna gain and coverage area. What is the antenna? What is gain? What is coverage area? I will cover all topic in this session. Now, let's see what is antenna and gain. In antenna is a passive device. Devices are two types: active device and passive device. Antenna is a passive device. What is the passive device? Everybody know about very well. That converts electrical energy to the RF waves. What is the electrical energy? What is the RF waves? What is the transmitting direction? Everybody knows very well. And converts RF waves to electrical energy in the receiving direction. In transmitting direction, antenna converts electrical energy to the RF wave, and in receiving direction converts RF wave to electrical energy. Antenna are needed many purpose: increase the range of the wireless LAN, control the coverage area by covering one direction to the more than another direction, enhance security by reducing signal leaking with proper antenna selection. Now, antenna is a passive device. It will direct your RF in a certain direction as per your coverage requirement. If we talk about active gain, this is in the amplifier. What is the gain? Gain means amplifier, low signal to strength signal, higher signal. Antenna can be divided in different types of factors. First one is frequency range, coverage pattern, gain, beam width, azimuth, evolution chart, indoor and outdoor. As the antenna length is related to the wavelength of the RF signal, some antenna work better in certain frequency range. Common frequency range is the Wi-Fi antenna, ISM band 2.412 to 2.472 GHz, uni second band 5.18 to 5.805 GHz. Some antenna work better at some frequency than other. Most antenna work best in the middle range. Many antenna are designed for only a part of the band. In this band, this range 5.75 to 5.805 or 5.26 to 5.32. What is the coverage pattern? Now, what is the coverage pattern? When discussing the coverage pattern, we should understand the following three concepts. Antenna gain, measure how much the antenna can direct the signal in a certain direction more than other. There is the directivity. This is also called as directivity. The two common ways to measure gain: dBi. First unit is dBi, or second unit is dBd. This unit compares the degree to which the antenna focusing its energy in certain direction relative to the ideal isotopic radiator. What is the isotopic radiator? It is the general description in antenna. To calculate the gain of an antenna in dBi, an RF engineer first determines the antenna's preferred direction, which direction gain is maximum. Every engineer directivity or gain to prefer this direction was the important receiving antenna, receiver signal. What is the signal? How to receive maximum gain? Then the engineer measure the power level at the certain distance from the antenna in dBm and calculates what power level would be at the same distance from isotropic antenna. This is the first unit, and second unit is dBd. Using the same concept as dBi, but this measurement compares the antenna to theoretical half-wave antenna and full-wave antenna. Both types of different type of antenna, half-wave and full-wave. The theoretical half-wave antenna has gain of the 2.14 dBi. Compare the isotropic antenna. As a result, 0 dBd equals to 2.14 dBi. This is the relation between dBi and dBd. So if you have a gain in dBd, simple add 2.14 to get the gain in dBi. It is the very important line. This, if we want to gain dBd, simply add 2.14 in the dBi. So it is the coverage area or gain for antenna. Thank you.